In this series, we'll try to establish a workflow for using something similar to the whole series at the assembly level, but this time at the part level. As you know, in the assembly level, you can have a counterbore on the top plate from a sandwich of plates, maybe a clearance hole in the middle ones, and a threaded hole or another clearance hole right at the bottom. You cannot do that directly at the part level, but there are workarounds. So let's see how we can do that. Allow me to drill some counterbores on the top. So 3/8, I'm just going to go up to next for the end condition, and I'm just going to drop them all over the place. I hope you don't mind if I don't dimension them at this time, but ideally you should fully define your sketches. And on the bottom face, so let's go again to the hole wizard. As you know, you don't need to select the face, to pre-select the face now in SolidWorks 2012. And I'm going to go all the way through. Positions are going to be on this face, and allow me to look from the top in order to capture the centers. Now, while this apparently is going to give me the correct location for all these clearance holes, you're going to find out that changing your design intent is not going to give you necessarily good results. So for example, if I'm editing this sketch and I'm changing the positions of the counterbores, everything is fine. The children, the bottom clearance holes, are changing the position. But what if you delete a bunch of holes? Let's say I'm deleting these 3 and I'm adding maybe 2 more. Of course, the bottom sketch is going to start crying that its members are being dangled. There are all kind of relations that are dangling now, and the new holes didn't appear anymore. So allow me to do something different. I'm gonna edit again the sketch of the clearance hole, and I'm gonna leave only 1 point there. So really, it's this hole wizard creates only 1 hole. Now I'm gonna use this feature, and I'm gonna use the sketch that defined the counterbore for creating a sketch-driven pattern. What it does, it takes this feature and just patterns it based on the original sketch. Now let's try to do the same change in the parent. So I'm going to edit this sketch. Maybe I'm going to delete these 2 points, and I'm going to add a few more. Surprise, surprise. This, as you can see here from the top, the clearance holes has updated accordingly. So this is a great way of using the sketch-driven pattern to simulate the whole series at the part level. Thank you.